Hello, grade 3. Hello again. Today, inshallah, we're going to talk about something that you're going to like very much, okay? We'll see. Yeah. So, what is it about, mister? It's about homophones. Homophones? Homophones are words, okay? So, words that sound the same. Sound the same, okay? But have a different meaning. So we have two words that have different meaning but sound the same. So have a different meaning and spelling. Let's see some examples about that. Okay, let's see. Flower and flower. Now we can understand why are they the same. So flour, we use the flour to make bread, okay? And flour. Yeah, so the same pronunciation, but they are different in spelling and meaning too, okay? Then here we have here. Would you please come here? Here, here, and here. I can't hear you. Right, like your answer is right. And right, yeah. Look at the different spelling. Then here we have where, like where are you going, where, and where. When you wear your jacket, when you wear your t-shirt, okay? So where. Plane, yeah, so plane, and look at this t-shirt. This t-shirt is plain, like the same color, yeah. See, and see. I can see you. I can see you now. So let's see that in your student's book. Let's see. The homophones are words that sound the same but have a different meaning and spelling. And here we have the same examples. Yeah, can you see them? Here, I want you to listen, point, and say.
1.
See.
2.
See.
3.
Here.
4.
Here.
What I want you to do here, yeah, number 2, read and circle. Read and circle. Then listen and say. I'm going to give you about 30 seconds. You ready? Okay, let's start.
Can you tell me where it hurts? You have to wear a cast for 6 weeks. You have to wear a cast for 6 weeks. I'll write down your temperature. I'll write down your temperature. Is this the right medicine? Is this the right medicine?
Hello again. So, can you tell me? Excellent. Where it hurts. Can you tell me where it hurts? Yeah. Number 2, you have to a cast for 6 weeks. Wow, 6 weeks. So you have to wear a cast. Okay, number 3, I'll down your temperature. I'll write down which one? Yeah, the second one. I'll write down your temperature. Is this the right medicine? Is this the right medicine? Yeah, the first one, the right medicine. Here we have some sentences and some questions which have the homophones. Let's practice saying them together. While I'm saying them, I want you to underline the homophones. You ready for that? Let's see. Can you see the sea? Where is the sea? It's here. It's here. It's a green and blue. How many umbrellas can you see by the sea? Are there 4? No, there are more. There for you and me, and for everyone here at the sea. So did you underline the homophones here? Perfect. So now we're going to read and check in a dictionary and write. So you're going to use these 4 words. Can you see them? Yeah, flower, flower, plain, and plain to fill the gaps here. You ready for that? Yeah, you just have about 30 seconds to do it. Okay, start. Hello again. Let's check your answers. Number 1. I picked a beautiful... Yes, a beautiful flower in the garden. Okay, number 2. You can travel to Australia by... Yes, by plane. Number 3. My bag doesn't have a pattern, so it's a plain, like the same color. You need flour, sugar, and eggs to make a cake. Okay, excellent. Now is the time to move to another part. It's about your grammar. Okay, today we're going to talk about something else. Must and the negative of it, mustn't. So must and the negative of it, mustn't. Okay, now you're going to watch this video. Okay, let's see. So must and mustn't. Here it is. When can we use must? What is the usage of it? We use must to tell people what they have to do. We use must to tell people what they have to do. For example, you must keep quiet in the classroom. You must keep quiet in the classroom. You must sit still in the school hall. Yeah. Number 3. You must line up in the corridor. Yes. So you must. Number 4. You must wait for your turn in the computer room. Wait for your turn. Yeah. Number 5. You must keep off the grass in the garden. So you must keep off the grass in the garden. What about mustn't? Mustn't. We use mustn't to tell people what they don't do. Okay? Like don't do that. So you can use mustn't instead of it. So this is the negative of must. Mustn't or must not. Let's see some examples about that. Like, you mustn't climb the trees in the garden. So you mustn't do that. Don't do that. Yeah. Number 2, you mustn't pick the flowers in the garden. So you mustn't pick the flowers. Here, just have a look. We use must to talk about something we have to do. And we use mustn't to talk about something we don't do or we don't have to do. Okay? So now let's check your understanding in your student's book. Let's see. Exercise number 1. I want you to listen, read the number. Number 1. They must drink lots of water. Number 2. You must take these 3 times a day. Number 3. She mustn't try to skateboard. Number 4. You mustn't eat here. Here we have some hospital rules. Yeah, here I want you to choose must or mustn't. I'm going to give you about 1 minute to do that. Read the sentences, then choose must or mustn't. You ready? Let's start. Hello again. Number 1, yes, you mustn't play soccer. Soccer like football in the hospital. You must get lots of rest. You must get lots of rest. So you mustn't play loud music. You mustn't have more than 3 visitors at the hospital. Okay, so more than 3 visitors, just 1, 2, or just 3 visitors. And number 5, must take your medicine, yeah, to get better. And the last one, you must listen to the doctors and nurses to get better too. Okay? Exercise number 3. I want you to make a list of rules for your school. Use we must and we mustn't. You can use the words in the box to help you. Here we have arrive on time, shout, listen to your teacher, talk unless you raise your hand, make fun of classmates, keep your class clean. So here we have some rules. I want you to use them, then make a list of rules. So this is the end of our video today. I hope you've learned a lot of words and information today. See you inshallah the next time and the next video. Bye.